Hello and welcome to GWiz Academy. In this video, we will be seeing how we can increase max file upload limit via cPanel. So there are other two ways as well, like via htaccess file or via WP configuration file. But for this video, we will be seeing via cPanel. So over here, we need to upload, upload max file size to be 256 megabytes and post max size to be 250 megabytes and memory limit should be 512 megabytes. Okay, over here you can see right now, to better understand, I have an example. This is my WordPress website and I want to import a file. Okay, so if I want to import a file, the maximum upload file size is 128 MB. But what if the file size which I want to import is more than 128 MB? Then there will be an error, okay, that the action cannot be performed or something like that. Okay, it is, or maybe only somewhat of the file may get imported, but the higher chances are that nothing will get imported and you'll face an error, okay, to import that file. So similarly for the media over here, you can see if I want to add something new, the maximum upload file size is 128 MB. So more than that, we cannot upload any files to our website. So how to increase that, we will see. So for that, we have these three steps which are mandatory, and max execution time and max input time are optional step. This can be performed if the internet speed is less. So let's get started. Log into your cPanel account. Once you log in, you can just search for PHP selector. Under this PHP selector, click on options, and over here you can see there are the options where we can increase the max post size or upload size. Okay, so over here it is 128 by default. Let me make it 256, and even post max size we need to make it, okay, we can keep it like 512 or 256 if the option permits. So we can keep 256 as well, not an issue. But please remember, we need a memory limit more nearly double to the upload max file size. So memory limit, let's just keep 512. Let's see if we get an option of 128. Oh no, 256 option is not available. It's okay. And yes, the max execution time and input times are like, it is not mandatory, it's optional. You can change it if required. And yes, changes are successfully saved. When we select the option, it by default it gets saved. So now once again refresh and see if this max upload size is increased or not. Perfect. As you can see, we have increased the max upload file size to 256 MB. Similarly, you can upload, increase it or decrease it as per your need, and it can go till 2 GB as well. Okay, so this is it. It's a simple thing how to do that. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below, and please subscribe to GWiz Academy. Thank you.